What up? What up? What up? More bad news for the city, for the town. So we had another helicopter crash that took 6 lives. Helicopter crash in the Hudson River just a little while ago. 6 people died. 3 of those was children. Like this is sad. Like, what's going on? Who's behind this? This is not a coincidence. This is not a coincidence. From what I remember, I don't remember all these frequent plane crashes, helicopter crashes. This is not normal. This is not a coincidence. Like, come on now. Like, whoever behind this, they need to find out who's behind this and what's the problem. 3 children died. 6 people died. Like, come on now. Like, listen, everybody, man. Be careful. Safe travels. If you don't got to get on a plane or a helicopter, don't do it. It's not safe anymore. Like, what the fuck is going on? If in the past 6 months, all we've been hearing about is plane crashes and helicopter crashes and jet crashes, like, nah, please. Somebody fix this, man. Find out. God, please. Take the wheel. Cause this is out of control. Rest in peace to the victims. My condolences to all the family and friends. Another fucking aircraft shit, man. This is crazy.